Alright guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Thank you very much for hitting the like button. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't, do so. And join my Discord. The link will be in the comment section below, guys. You are missing out if you're not in it. It's a fun community. You have access to what I buy and sell live before I do it. Look at this. These are just my picks. I'm going to tell you right now. 251 stock picks that I made so far in 2023 were so profitable. These were stock picks in the Discord. 44 are open positions. Some of them are green. Some of them are ETFs. Some of them are for long term. Maybe some of these will be a loss, but only 9 for a loss so far this year. If you like these numbers, join the Discord. Guys, in this video, I want to explain to you how you can make amazing passive income. There are plenty of ways to make amazing passive income. Why should you care about making amazing passive income? Because it's money that you will start receiving on a monthly basis. I'm not the type of person who is going to tell you right now that your 9 to 5 job sucks and, you know, look at me, I'm living the life and I got the Lamborghini and I got this jets and all this stuff. These are stupid stuff, all right? Foolish, retarded stuff. Those people who push those things are most likely scammers, are immature people, are irresponsible people, people who tell others that their life, or make them feel like their life is horrible, which is just a complete trash thing. So stay away from those sort of people. I'm not saying that, you know, you should follow me, but do stay away from people who promise you the Dubai life and the luxury and all that stuff. These are stupid stuff. And they feed off scams until the scam runs out. All right, so but the reality is to get to the point where you can make monthly enough money to actually, you know, help your life out better, be financially and all that stuff, does take some work. It's not overnight. All right, and one of the ways we can do it, all right, there's plenty of ways, right? Nice, legitimate ways. One of the ways is to get monthly dividends. Monthly dividends, for most people who are watching this YouTube video, I am sure is going to be a tough thing to accumulate, right? If you're not a billionaire, I'm pretty sure no billionaire is watching my videos. Billionaires don't even watch, you know, they got their own private people, you know, companies running their money and all that stuff. But, you know, like most of my viewers, I know that, or I believe are people who are just like me. You know, we're hardworking people. We're not, you know, millionaires and all that stuff. And we shouldn't want that. We shouldn't chase that. We should just chase to be a happy, you know, have a happy life and all that stuff. But one of my most top favorite monthly dividend ETFs out there is APLY. Ticker symbol APLY. There is also TSLY, TSLY. It's from the same company. The reason why I like APLY more over TSLY is because Apple, I find it to be a more stable stock, right? Tesla is very volatile and can bring way better returns on the volatility upwards. So far, TSLY gives better dividends than APLY. But APLY dividends aren't bad either. They're really good. And like I said, over a stretch of a long period of time, if I'm going to take part in an option income strategy ETF, if we look at the dividend for APLY, for example, right? Now, this is a new ETF that just came out like 3-4 months ago. On June 7, 2023, the first dividend that they paid was 28 cents. Now keep in mind, this is an ETF that will pay you every month, right? On July 7, they paid 63 cents. On August 4th, they paid 55 cents. If we were to look at TSLY, it pays on an average of about 80 cents, 80, 90 cents around there. So there's a bigger difference with TSLY, TSLY, and there's nothing wrong with getting TSLY. It's a good strategy to use TSLY to get exposure, like let's say to Tesla, but without owning the Tesla stock, and you get great dividends, right? And so yeah, TSLY is awesome. It's great. It's amazing. But I like APLY because of, like I said, Apple is a more stable stock. If I were to look at it as holding either one for the next 1 to 2 years, right? Can this solve all your financial problems? Depends on how much money you put into this. But of course, let me say something else. With any ETF, not just APLY, any exchange traded fund you invest in, there are risks, and those risks are risks that are you can find out everything about the risks involved in a particular ETF by visiting the ETF's website, right? The official website, and there they list all the risks. So do that before you invest in any ETF, right? One of the risks for any ETF could be just, you know, it's over. It gets shut down. There aren't enough funds. There aren't enough investors into it. and so on. But so that's that. So because there are risks even with ETFs, I like this one. Another one that I like a lot, that I find to be one of the top best monthly paying dividend ETF, is ticker symbol JEPI. Check that out also. Really solid one. And JEPI also pays on an average of about 50, 53, 55 cents per month, each month per dividend, right? The other one that I want to point out that also pays a monthly dividend is Global X Healthcare Covered Call and Growth ETF. HYLG is the ticker symbol, trading at 24.79. Might not look so pretty on the chart, but you know what? It covers the healthcare sector, and I think this winter the healthcare sector is going to outperform most of the other sectors. So this should do well. If we look at the dividends on this one, it's on an average of about 10 to 12 cents each month. Not bad. It's good, right? It's not. I like that. There's nothing, you know. And also do this. Here's another thing, a good idea: diversification in ETFs. Don't put all your money in one ETF. Don't put all your money in one stock. Don't put all your money in one investment idea. It might work out and you'll get lucky, but it's better to be diversified. Why not own a little bit of this ETF? Why not own a little bit of that, and so on? I like the ETFs that are involved with covered calls and all that because they tend to pay a lot higher dividends and they pay them every month. So it's pretty cool. And if I diversify into those, I like it. I don't know. I find it like a pretty good idea. Let me know in the comment section below if you think otherwise. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation is not an ETF. It's a stock. And I've done a full review, video, and analysis on this, ticker symbol HRZN. In fact, I did a video review and analysis on this before it had gone public. So check it out in my video section of the channel. But this is a stock of a company that I feel is a great company. It's a company that I personally believe in, and I think that it can grow and be a really good high growth stock over the long term. So what I find attractive in this is that it pays a monthly dividend, which is very attractive for the price that you pay for per share. They really have a really high dividend. And also at the same time, I feel that my initial investment and whatever investment I put into this is only going to grow over time because I believe that the stock is going to grow. So since the stock is going to grow, since my investment is going to grow, why not get into this since I really like this company, I believe in it, and I'll still get monthly dividends. The monthly dividend on this is 11 cents every single month, and I like that. So I think it's pretty cool. Great company, cool stock, check it out. Horizon Technology Finance Corp is a business development company specializing in lending and investing in development stage investments, in development stage companies. I think that's cool. You know, we're living in a period with high interest rates. Some, you know, in early stage companies don't have access to the financial help and funding that they would need from banks. And I just feel that this, this is, Horizon Technology Finance Corp, and they're doing well. I don't know if I put a screenshot of the I'm sorry, I forgot to put a screenshot of Horizon Technology's financial data, which is actually really good. The revenue growth is stunning every single year, but whatever, it's okay. You guys can check it out. Do some due diligence over the weekend. All right, next one, guys. Madison Covered Call ETF, ticker symbol CVRD. This is brand new. It went public on August 23. It's trading at $20.55. We don't know exactly yet what, and it's been going up slightly, 0.50% positive since it went public. We don't know exactly yet what the distribution rate will be, what the dividends exactly will be. That we'll find out in the first month, which will be coming up pretty soon, when they will pay the first dividend. But it will be paying a dividend every single month. So keep this in mind, check it out, and let's see. I'm guessing that their dividend will be around 15, 18 cents. Maybe it's higher. If it's higher, wow, it's going to be amazing. So check it out, keep it in mind. Don't forget that just recently on August 31st, we had a really good one. All right, this is going to be another good one. YieldMax XOM Option Income Strategy ETF. This is going to be a really cool one. I think it's going to have really, really good dividends. Minimum, exactly, in my opinion, what APLY would pay, minimum, right? It might be even higher than that. And so I would keep this also at the top of my watch list. Monthly paying dividends, it should be paying around 55, 60 cents, maybe 80 cents per month, per share each month. So I would really keep in mind on this one. So I like this one, XOMO. I really like HRZN as a stock, as a company, and the monthly dividend gives. And guys, I really like APLY. With all that being said, let me give you one quick update on GPAC. GPAK is the ticker symbol. This is an IPO. This is a company that has not gone public yet. They are going to go public on September 8th, 2023. Ticker symbol will be GPAK. I think it's still available for pre-order on Webull if you wanted to pre-order at $4. 1.7 million shares. Westpark Capital is the underwriter. Someone asked me, hey Mike, don't you feel, why don't you feel bullish on this? You said that you pre-ordered SPPL, which I did pre-order SPPL. Why didn't you pre-order GPAC? Look, GPAC I think might do well too. Although GPAC is a company that has trash financials, trash everything. And I don't expect GPAC to do anything special once it goes public or however long it remains as a publicly traded company. I don't. I think it's something similar to something like eBet. And eBet went also public through the same underwriter, Westpark Capital. What did eBet do? A few pumps. It did have a few decent pumps. When it was at 4 cents about a month ago, I did a YouTube short video on it and I said it would go higher, and it did. It went from 4 cents to 11 cents after my video. But that's about it. Lucy had some good pumps in the past. Phoenix Motors had some good pumps. So yeah, there's some Westpark Capital brought some things that had some good pumps, but overall nothing great. They brought Prime Number Acquisition Corp, which went they brought public the NOCO, ticker symbol NCNC. That has been a complete disaster. So overall, I mean, I'm not really thrilled with GPAC might pop on day one. Probably will, I think. So if somebody bought pre-order, they can sell on day one using Webull and you won't get any penalties. And I think that would be the best thing. If you were to pre-order this, guys, sell it on day one. First chance you have and you're positive and you're up, get out. Don't hold this, guys. Don't hold it. That's just my opinion, guys. With that being said, guys, monthly paying dividends. Accumulate as much as you can, whenever you can, for your future, for your financial stability, for your health, for your family, whatever. It's good to have dividends. You don't have to or should buy the dividends that I showed you in this video. But buying dividends, dividend ETFs, dividend stocks, they are good and will pay you dividends. Do it whenever you can. You'll be surprised if you accumulate little by little within a year, 2, 3, 4 years from now, where you'll be and what huge help that would be for you. And I would reinvest those dividends back into those stocks so that they can grow even more, right? And join my Discord, guys. The link will be in the comment section below. Have a great week and have a great Labor Day and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.